Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on INFINIX Hot 30i. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now click enable and click open. Now click this button to skip introduction and then click open permissions and click here on AI assistant to allow this app to draw over other apps, and now click start. And as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.